I want to do some videos about different skin types because I know that many of you are not sure which skin type you have, and then of course we analyze it during treatment. But if you want to have a little bit of knowledge, I want to do this series. So the first one we're going to talk about it is normal combination skin. Did you know that basically every skin type recalls different reaction or effect of each ingredient of skincare? Like if you take general skincare, like commercial one, may not be really the one that you need, which benefit your skin type the best. So knowing your skin type is the first step, essential step for your benefit of your skincare routine. So normal skin is neither too oily or too dry. It has the balance, oil production and a good blood circulation. That means, again, well-balanced skin. So how can you, it's the ideal skin type, obviously, also like normal combination, and I will explain why. So how can you identify normal skin? Well, there's a smooth texture to the skin. The pores are fine, not too big. There is no sensitivity to different products. There's no blemishes and redness, and there's like few or no breakouts. And how to take care of normal skin? Well, your skin needs to be taken care no matter what type it is. And if you have normal skin, you don't have to maybe worry so much like sensitive skin or too much oily, but you still want to make your skincare routine effective. You should make it a point to stay healthy and hydrated, of course. So I have some tips for you how to maintain your beautiful normal skin. So number one, sounds like a cliche, but it's always true: stay hydrated. Water. If we don't drink enough water through the day, the skin may dry up and start getting flaky. So, and it will make it also create more, excessive oils in the skin. So drink water, eat food that is rich with water, like cucumber, lettuce, all the melons. Keep hydrated. It's important for everybody, but we're talking normal skin now. Number two, I always say, if you want to use only one product, let's say, wear sunscreen. Sunscreen is the must for overall skin health maintenance. Direct sun exposure can dry up your skin, cause wrinkles and dark patches, and this is the base of anti-aging. The sun is the fastest aging factor. So you want to use a mineral sun protection that is based on zinc. It's your best friend every day of the year. And number three, moisturize, of course, and prevent it from over dry. You want to use, in this case, the normal combination face cream morning and nighttime. Talking about nighttime, always remove your makeup before sleeping unless you want to age in 10 years overnight. No need to explain a lot here. And after you remove your makeup, clean your skin before sleeping. You want a clear canvas. You don't want to carry the dirt of the day with you to your night routine. So if you don't wear makeup, you use this as your first step. Clean with the cleanser. If you wear makeup, you first remove the makeup and then you use the cleanser. Over a clean skin, you can apply your beautiful face cream, serums, everything for the night. Now, Combination skin is a mix of oily skin, and it usually shows up here in what we call the T-zone. This is where the skin produces oil. So you can experience here more oily skin, and here it can be between normal to sometimes more dry. It's a mixture of two skin types basically. How can you identify combination skin? So your T-zone, like I said, is more oily and your cheeks are more dry. Breakouts mostly occur on the forehead, the cheek, the chin and the nose. And your cheeks, because they can tend to be dry, they are more sensitive. And what causes combination skin? Well, genetics, so that's one. Second, different products. Sometimes harsh product can cause change in the skin and contribute to excess oily production and also to dryness and sensitivity. Climate. You may see a change in your skin depending in the change in the climate. For example, summer may make your skin more oily. Makes sense. My tips for combination skin: again, use cleanser. You always want to keep it clean, especially when you have extra oil. The pores in your T-zone probably are larger, so you want to keep it clean. Makeup remover at night and cleanser. You want to exfoliate gently about once a week. Exfoliation every day isn't recommended because it can remove the necessary oil in the skin and make the skin feel like in emergency mode. I have no oils now, I have to make extra oil. So you want to remove the dead skin cells, yes, with a gentle exfoliate, but not overdo it. Again, I will say it here again, wear sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must-have, like I said, on the normal skin. And sometimes if you feel really big difference in the area, you want to maintain two separate skincare routine. Meaning, like here you want to use something more targeted for oily skin and here something for sensitive skin or dry. And the most important thing for every skin type is maintain a regular facial routine. When you let professional do the work, the cleaning and the balance of the skin, your job after that is just to maintain it basically. And from facial to facial, you will see your skin more balanced and happy and healthier. If you have any questions, I'm always happy to help. And enjoy taking care of your skin.